Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you find the iPhone keyboard a bit too small for comfortable typing, there are ways to make it larger and more user-friendly. Follow this guide to adjust your keyboard size and setting to enhance your typing experience. An option is to enable the display zoom. Open the setting app on your phone, then scroll down to display and brightness. Next, scroll down to the display section. Then you click on display zoom. Next, select the larger text option. This will enlarge the entire interface, including the keyboard. You can also use the accessibility option. Go to your setting menu and locate accessibility. Tap on it and locate the zoom option. Tap zoom and joggle it on. This feature allows you to zoom in on the keyboard when needed. To zoom in, double tap with 3 fingers anywhere on the screen. Move around the screen by dragging 3 fingers. Double tap with 3 fingers again to zoom out. For a larger keyboard, turn your iPhone sideways. This automatically increases the keyboard size. Note that this works best on larger iPhone models. You can also enable bold text to make keys easier to see. Go to the setting app, then click on display and brightness and joggle on the bold text. And that's it guys. By using display zoom and accessibility features, you can make iPhone keyboard larger and more comfortable for typing. Explore these options to find the best solution for your needs and enjoy a more pleasant typing experience. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and share with your friends, and I will see you in our next one. Bye bye.